How to make a voice call on KakaoTalk. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how to make a voice call on KakaoTalk. It's super simple and easy, so let's get started. First, open the KakaoTalk application on the device. Now once you are in, tap on chats right here. Now you see all the chats right here. Now select the person with whom you wanna do the voice call. Just select the person. Now just select it. Long press on their name like this. Now you can see the voice call option right here at the second. Now all you have to do is tap on voice call like this. Now in the voice call you can also mute yourself by tapping on this mute option right here, and you can also keep it to speaker from here. And that's it. This is how to make a voice call on KakaoTalk. Hope this video helped you. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.